Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining the essentials with the first actionable steps. Install a lightweight code editor and create a single project folder. Open a new index. HTML, link a style. CSS, and write one small script. JS, practice by building a simple static page with a form and responsive layout. This teaches structure, styles, and interactions simultaneously. Once done, commit a first Git snapshot so you track progress and avoid losing work. You continue by focusing on the complex middle steps. Iterate on 3 practical projects that force new skills: layout refinements, event handling, and state. Make sure to add Git branches for features and practice merging. This prevents rework. Add a simple REST call to one project and parse JSON so you learn async flow and error handling. Once these patterns are repeated, you graduate from tutorials to real problem solving and can read library docs with purpose. You finish by deploying and stabilizing. Choose a free static host or push a Node app to a platform, configure build scripts, and verify live behavior. Test on mobile and desktop, measure load times, and optimize images and CSS. If things go wrong, reproduce the bug, inspect the browser console, and roll back the last change to isolate cause. This debugging loop saves time. Finally, document fixes and add tests so future errors are easier to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.